A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back for the online session of English classes. Today, we will continue our English grammar class. My dear children, in our last online class, we have learned about nouns. Okay, so we have learned about common nouns and proper nouns. So, first of all, what are nouns? All names or naming words are nouns. A noun names a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, a name can be common or special, and the special name of a noun is called proper noun. And that proper noun is always begins with the capital letters. Okay, so special names given to animal, person, place, or things are called proper nouns. And remember, names of cities, days, months, festivals, holidays, books, etc. are proper nouns. And the general name of a person, place, animal, or a thing is a common noun. Like, for example, he is a clown, and clown is a general name for the person. So, it's a common noun. They live in a city. City is a general name for the place. So, city is a common noun. It is his dog. Dog is a general name for the animal. So, dog is a common noun. So, special names given to people, places, pets, days, months, etc. are proper nouns. So, here are some examples of common nouns like for a person, pilot, teacher, girl, baby. For the place, airport, school, beach. For animal, elephant, dolphin, dog, cow. For things, chocolate, book, garden. So these are all the examples, some few examples of common nouns. And this is your grammar book. This is lesson number 4, naming words, nouns. In our previous online class, we have completed this one. We have identified pictures and we have write either it is person, place, animals, or things. So here also, I hope this one you have completed in your grammar book, your name, your father's name, your mother's name, the name of your school, that is Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School, your friend's name, the name of your street, the name of your country, India, the first day of the week. Okay. Now the next question, the words underlined are special names. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters to begin the special names. This one also we have completed in our last online class. Like my name is Neha, this underlined word Neha, you have to rectify it and you have to write N in capital letters because we know that special names means proper nouns that always begins with capital letters. These are all 7 questions that we have completed. Then next question, where do you see the following? Put the words in the right columns. This one I have given you for the homework. I hope you all have completed in your English grammar book. Like you have to choose these words and write in their proper places. Okay. So people we can find in park. Flowers in park. TV we can see in our house. Lions we can find it in zoo. Gas stove in house. Swing in the park. Plants in the park. Refrigerator in house. Elephants in the zoo. Children in school. Tigers in the zoo. Benches in the school. Bed in the house. Peacocks in the zoo and books in school. Okay, I hope so. You all have completed this one also. My dear children, today we will study about collective nouns. Okay, collective means collection, means some group. So here, let's have a look. Arun and Amit are at an animal farm. Look at these interesting banners they have come across at the farm. So Arun and Amit, they went to animal farm, and these are the interesting banners they have come across at the farm, like a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. So these are all the interesting banners they have come across at the farm. So here, some common nouns have a special names when they are in group. So we know that these are the common nouns like cow, birds, flies. So these are the common nouns we have learned earlier. So if these common nouns have a special names when they are in a group, these common nouns have a special names when they are in a group. Okay. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things. So what is a collective noun? It's a word used to name a group of people. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things. If these all are in a group, so then we able to know that it's a collective noun. Some particular name is there for that group. Okay. The word herd, flock, swarm are collective nouns used to refer group of cows, birds, and flies respectively. Like here, a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of animals. A swarm of flies. So these are all collective nouns. Okay. Let's look at some more collective nouns. A pack of dogs. Here, pack is a collective noun which refers to a group of dogs. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a group of dogs. Next, a school of fish. Here, school is a collective noun which refers to a group of fish. A bunch of keys. Here, bunch, it's a collective noun which refer to a group of keys. A team of horses. Here, team is a collective noun which refer to a group of horses. A class of students. Here, class is a collective noun which refer to a group of students. A troop of monkeys. Here, troop is a collective noun which refer to a group of monkeys. So I hope so now you can able to understand what is a collective nouns. A collective noun is singular in form even though it names anything which is two or more than two. Singular means single. Okay, a collective noun is singular in form even though it's name anything which is two or more than two. Like for example, a set of tools, a bale of cotton, etc. So such group of words is called noun phrase. So my dear children, these are the examples of collective nouns, and now we can able to know that what is collective noun. It's a word used to name certain group of people, either animals, either things. Okay. So, coming to our grammar book, here is a question that answer the following in word. So, you have to write first letter in capital. Question number 1. Which fruit do you like the best? You have to write your favorite fruit. Either mango, banana, apple, whatever. You have to write over here. Your favorite fruit. Name one thing that you like to eat for breakfast. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Your favorite thing. You have to write here. Which fruit do you like the best? You have to write over here. And name one thing you like to eat for breakfast. You have to write here. Next, where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? You have to write here. Okay. What do you write with? You write with a what? Pencil. Yes, you write with a pencil. Next, name a beautiful bird. You have to write here. You have to name a beautiful bird. Either peacock, either parrot, whatever. Okay. Name a beautiful bird. You have to write over here. Number 6. Where do you see many story books? We used to see many story books in library. So Library. Library. Okay. Next, who earns for your family? Who earns for your family? That is your father. So you have to write Father. Father. Who earns for your family? Father. So here, answer the following in a word. Which fruit do you like the best? You have to write here. Name one thing that you like to eat for breakfast. Your favorite thing. You have to write over here. Where do you sleep? You have to write here. What do you write with? You used to write with a pencil. Name a beautiful bird. You have to complete it. Beautiful bird, the name of a beautiful bird. Where do you see many storybooks? We used to see many storybooks in a library. Who earns for your family? It's your father who earns for your family. Next, we have learned this collective nouns. Now we can able to understand that collective nouns are group or are collective nouns are words for groups of people, animal or things. Collective nouns are words. It's a group. This thing you have to remember. Collective nouns means group of people, animals or things. So here are also some examples like a band of musicians. Here band is a collective noun. Here band is a collective noun which refer to a group of musicians. A troupe of dancers. Here troupe is a collective noun. I am writing over CN. CN means collective nouns which refers to a group of dancers. Next, for group of animals, examples are a pride of lions. Here, pride is a collective noun which refers to a group of lions. A swarm of bees. Here, swarm is a collective noun which refers to a group of bees. For group of things, some examples are a bunch of keys. Here, bunch is a collective noun which refers to a group of keys. A pair of shoes. A pair is a collective noun which refers to a group of shoes. So these are all the examples of collective nouns. My dear children, this is your homework. This you have to do in your English copy. So like this you have to draw, and like this you have to write that pick the pencil and color the balloons. Common noun and proper noun. So you have to draw all these balloons and write some words inside it, like apple, India, I, John, bird, then ball, California, Bill Gates, bell, Taj Mahal, horse, Egypt. So what you have to do? You have to color common noun. You have to choose the word which one is common. So you have to color that common noun in with yellow color, and you have to choose the word proper noun, and you have to color that proper noun with green color. So this is your for homework, and this you have to do in your English copy. So my dear children, I hope so you all have understood about proper nouns, about common nouns, and about collective nouns. So go through the exercise and go through the videos so that you can able to understand in a better way. So that's it for today. Thank you.